Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VERB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update I'm going to do is just adjust this level up here. Yeah, that level down there pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I'm just going to use that level for a closer level. And that's right there at 230, which I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above $2.30. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.30, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 230 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers seem to be hanging around, I'm going to go ahead and call the main level right up there at $2.60. Yeah, I get it. There was that temporary moment right there where the price got above there, but that didn't last very long, and the price, dropped quite a bit below it. So, but going forward, those 260 is going to be public enemy number one. All in all, though, the main thing that matters, at least in my mind, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about this stuff right here, just building these higher bases. As long as you have higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to progress in the upwards direction, then that's the name of the game, and that's how truly, strong overall uptrends are built. So we'll see what happens with it, but definitely another good day after a good start to the week yesterday on Monday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.